Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show that how to copy the link of your Facebook page, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, please guys. So let's get started. And first of all, let's simply open up your Facebook app, and then make sure you have login with that same page to whom you want to copy the link. After that, just simply come to your profile section. In your profile section, just simply tap at these two dots so the trader can easily find your Facebook page link. In the very bottom you can see that. So for to copy that link, simply tap at copy link. That's how you can easily copy the link of your Facebook page. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question, just leave me in comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. And if you think that this video have helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, goodbye till next video, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen.